So if you saw the service video to this Audioline 341, which is the same as Unit N200, same as the realistic TRC 2000, which is now talking to us. It's a set I bought from the trade as a trade working set, and it was, and unjammed the meter and just done the tune up round the edges, and it's now spot on. And we never check low power. I never check low power. It was 340 milliwatts when we started, but that's what I'll have to tell Mr. Chippie. So we'll come to that. Tomorrow I'll have to do it. Right. Anyway, for now it's this is one we'll be selling on, so. And then tomorrow we'll be back on to Mr. Trucking and Farming. Tango 21 test.
Yeah, we're going to be a few minutes because the windscreen's well and truly frozen.
Roger on that. Give me a call when you're ready then.
Yeah, Roger, will do.
Probably go and help him scrape it. To help scrape the windscreen I used a credit card. I must be the only person in Britain with a £50 credit limit. Specially set up. So when I get those phone calls saying, those scam phone calls which seem to always come from India, and they say, you have bought an Apple product for £890. Is this you? Press 1. Is this, you know, all that rubbish. It's not going to get paid, is it?
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, now ready?
Yeah, Roger, and I've already put my extension speaker in.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger Dodger.
Right, passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio we have got a tone control.
Roger that, so I'm heading up the lane towards the end of it, now passing the passing place and doggy daycare, which is probably not in use.
Roger on that, that's fine.
Roger. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane, and you might know what radio this is because you cleaned the case lids for it.
Yeah, but 2 black case lids, that doesn't tell me anything really.
Oh, and I've taken the speaker off, which might have been more of a giveaway.
Roger. It kind of reminded me of the shape of a DNT or something like that.
No, it isn't.
Right, well that's that then. Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station and it's closed.
Roger on that.
Square wheeled Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Doncaster Crossroads.
Roger. go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford.
From Mr. Chippie, we're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on
I'm on an Audioline PT341, which is licensing unit N200, and I am doing 3.9 watts output, and I am on the standard replacement mic. Over.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Roger, done.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Grayleys turn. Nearly forgot.
Yeah, if you think about that, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger.
What's the temperature out there?
Just one.
What's off?
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Well, we got you at the 5 mile point. I'm on this Audioline 341, doing 3.9 watts output, drawing just over 1 amp, and we're going to go into low power, which is 340 milliwatts. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 340 milliwatts, drawing 14 amps current, back to full power, Now we're back on full power. We're on a standard replacement mic, over.
Yep, Roger, no problems on full power. It's choppy noisy again tonight, so low power would have been fine, but it's just, you know, taking that away.
Yeah, and it's 340 milliwatts because I forgot to set it, so tomorrow before we advertise this for sale, it will get adjusted to 400 milliwatts.
Yep, roger that.
Off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger on that.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Roxby level crossing. Over.
Roger, going over Roxby level crossing.
Yep, 139.9 and 148.7.
Roger on that. I work straight. Thank you very much. That's
Roger that, 1010.
We're now going over Roxby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Roxby level crossing. Is there a petrol price for me today at that end, please, over?
Yep, 139.9 and 148.7.
Roger on that. That worked a treat. Thank you very much. 1010.
Roger that, 1010.
Okay, no problem there. Just need to just check tomorrow that I've actually got the power at 400 milliwatts on low power. So there we go. I'll be putting that one up for sale tomorrow, and that'll go out with a new mic. So thanks very much, and we'll go over to the base station and see what it sounds like on that standard replacement mic.
Tango 21, testing the audio line 341 with the standard replacement mic, testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Pop it on low power. There we're on low power, testing 1 2 3. There we are back on full power. So don't know what we're doing tomorrow, but we'll be back to trucking and farming. So thanks for watching, and catch you on the next video.